Welcome to Freelancing 101, How to Make Money from Home. In today's digital age, freelancing has become a popular choice for individuals looking to earn a living from the comfort of their homes. Whether you want the flexibility of setting your own hours, escaping the 9-to-5 grind, or the freedom to work on projects you're passionate about, freelancing offers endless opportunities. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to kickstart your freelancing journey, from choosing the right skills to market yourself to finding clients and managing your workload. What is freelancing? Freelancing refers to working independently on a project or contract basis for different clients, rather than being employed by a single company. Freelancers can work in various fields, including writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. The key difference between freelancing and traditional employment is that freelancers typically have the freedom to choose their projects, clients, and work hours. Key benefits of freelancing: flexibility, work whenever and wherever you want. Diverse opportunities, work with multiple clients from various industries. Independence, be your own boss, and have control over the type of work you take on. Potential to earn more. With the right strategy, freelancers can often make more money than traditional employees. Popular freelancing niches: writing and content creation. If you have a way with words, content writing, copywriting, and blogging are great options. Graphic design, for the creatively inclined, logo design, branding, and web design are in demand. Web development and programming, coding skills can open the door to a wide range of freelance opportunities. Digital marketing, from social media management to SEO, businesses need experts to help them grow online. Virtual assistants, administrative tasks, customer service, and data entry are some examples of remote work you can do as a virtual assistant. Choosing the right skills to offer. When starting your freelance career, it's crucial to identify your strengths and choose skills that are in demand. Consider what you're passionate about and where you have expertise. Take stock of your experience and interests. Are you a great writer, an excellent coder, or an organized multitasker? Once you have an idea of your skills, start researching the freelance market to see what services are in demand. How to choose the right skills. Self-assessment. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What skills can you offer that clients are willing to pay for? Market research. Use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to see which skills are trending. Look for job postings that match your abilities. Upskill. If you don't yet have marketable skills, consider taking online courses or tutorials to learn new ones. Websites like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer valuable training in various fields. Tip: start with 1 or 2 core services, and as you gain more experience, you can expand your offerings. Setting up your freelance business. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your freelance business. Freelancing is not just about completing tasks for clients, it's also about presenting yourself professionally and managing your business effectively. Steps to setting up your freelance business. Create a portfolio, showcase your skills and previous work, if you have any. A portfolio is critical for attracting clients. If you're just starting, consider doing a few projects for free or offering discounted rates in exchange for testimonials. Set your rates. Determine how much you want to charge. Research industry standards to ensure your rates are competitive, but also reflective of your skills and experience. Build a website. Even a simple website can serve as a portfolio, resume, and contact point for potential clients. It adds a level of professionalism and makes you more accessible online. Set up profiles on freelance platforms. Register on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or 99 Designs to start finding clients. Optimize your profile with strong descriptions, relevant keywords, and examples of your work. Invest in tools. Depending on your freelance niche, you may need specific tools to help you succeed, e.g., graphic design software, time tracking apps, or invoicing platforms. Tip: stay organized from the start. Keep track of your projects, deadlines, and finances. Good management is essential for long-term success. Finding clients. One of the biggest challenges freelancers face is finding consistent work. Building a client base takes time, but with persistence and the right strategy, you can secure a steady stream of work. Where to find clients? Freelance job platforms. Start with Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms have thousands of jobs posted daily, and while competition can be tough, there are plenty of opportunities for beginners. Social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can be great places to find clients. Use these platforms to connect with potential clients and showcase your work. Networking. Attend virtual or in-person industry events, join freelance communities, or participate in online forums where potential clients may be. Cold pitching. Reach out to companies or individuals who may need your services. Craft a compelling email that highlights your expertise and how you can solve their problems. Referrals. Once you've worked with a few clients, ask them for referrals. A satisfied client is often your best source of new work. Tip: be proactive. The more effort you put into marketing yourself, the more likely you are to land jobs. Managing your freelance workload. As a freelancer, you'll need to manage your time and projects efficiently. With the freedom to set your own schedule, it's easy to procrastinate or become overwhelmed with too many projects at once. Tips for managing your freelance work. Create a schedule, set regular working hours, and stick to them. Use tools like Google Calendar or Trello to manage your time effectively. Set clear boundaries. Communicate with clients about your availability and response times. It's important to set expectations from the beginning to avoid burnout. Track your work. Use time tracking tools like Toggle or Clockify to keep track of how much time you're spending on each project. Prioritize tasks. Use the Eisenhower matrix or similar prioritization techniques to focus on urgent and important tasks. Manage finances. Keep track of your earnings and expenses. Consider using accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks to handle invoices and taxes. Tip: stay balanced. Take breaks, and don't forget to enjoy the flexibility freelancing offers. Scaling your freelance career. Once you've established yourself as a freelancer and built a steady client base, it's time to think about scaling your business. Scaling means increasing your income or workload without sacrificing the quality of your work. Ways to scale your freelancing career. Increase your rates. As you gain more experience and build a strong portfolio, you can start charging higher rates for your services. Outsource work. Hire other freelancers to handle smaller tasks while you focus on high-paying or complex projects. Offer new services. If you're skilled in multiple areas, expand your offerings. For example, a graphic designer could also offer web development or social media management. Create passive income. Consider creating digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates that you can sell online. Build long-term client relationships. Focus on turning one-time clients into long-term partnerships. Retainers, where clients pay a monthly fee for ongoing work, are a great way to ensure steady income. Tip: be strategic in scaling. It's easy to become overwhelmed with more work, so always focus on quality over quantity. And that's it. Freelancing can be an incredibly rewarding career path that offers both flexibility and the opportunity to earn a good income from home. By choosing the right skills, setting up your business, finding clients, managing your workload, and scaling strategically, you can succeed in the freelancing world. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell so you won't miss more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your freelancing journey.